Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm talking about the top 8 dollar cards you can use for international payment, in Nigeria and in other countries where you might find yourself. These platforms have always been there, but it seems many people don't know about it because I keep seeing comments on, people asking me questions like they want to pay for Facebook ads, they want to pay for TikTok ads, they want to pay for, payment from AliExpress or some other international platforms where they can buy goods and ship down to maybe Nigeria or whatever country you are. And in some cases, people want to pay tuition fees, they want to pay for their scholarship, maybe with Swedish Institute or whatever platform, and they have an issue. So this video is for you. Make sure you watch it to the end because I assure you that the information you need concerning international payment is actually based in this video. So number 8 platform I'll be mentioning is one app that everybody uses, almost everybody uses here in Nigeria, but many people don't know it has this capacity of making payments globally. So that is why you have to watch this video to the end. If this is the first time watching our videos, please make sure you subscribe, share this video with your friends, and make sure you like and comment if you've used any of this platform before, or you are thinking of using it and you need more reviews about it. So drop it in the comment section. Thank you once again. Stay right there. I'll be right back. Back guys, so the first one on the list is Geegpay Virtual Card. Geegpay Virtual Card has been for a long time and it tops the card space, when it comes to virtual payment abroad. You know why? It has the best exchange rates and seamless integration. So when it comes to Geegpay comes with seamless registration, KYC and transactions. So I always recommend Geegpay to people who want to make payments abroad. So number 2, we have Cheaper Cash Virtual Card. It has been for a long time and many people actually know Cheaper Cash because initially when they started they were giving out bonuses. Even till date, I think the platform is free. If you want to make payment with Cheaper Cash card, you don't really need to pay, pay 0 fees. That's one. Then secondly, the interface is probably the simplest to use, and it's a platform that has built trust over the years. You can't have issues. The customer service is powerful and they are good, a very good platform. So Cheaper Cash is the second top international virtual card you can use for international payments. The next one, we have Micro ePay Virtual Card. It offers low fees, competitive exchange rates, and instant issuance. So when you need a card that will be issued to you instantly, either the virtual one or even the physical one, I would always recommend Micro ePay. Now we have Eversend Virtual Card. It's a low transaction fees card and it supports lots of currencies. We are talking about over 40 currencies globally. So when you are thinking of making payments outside Nigeria or in any other country, think of Eversend because they offer multi-currency cards. It's not just about USD. You can create euro, you can create pounds and other currencies. Now, we have another one that has been for a very long time. It is trusted by many, it has been used by many, but I think their KYC is quite hard or difficult, especially when you are registering for a business. So we talk about Barter by Flutterwave. So it has been for over 8-9 years and they are doing wonderful. It's one of the $1 billion investment in Nigeria. So if you need a virtual card that can be used to make payments globally, think of Barter by Flutterwave. So Barter by Flutterwave, it's secure. They also offer physical. So it is not just about virtual now. So if you also need a physical card you can take abroad, or when you're traveling and you need a card you can use to make payments through ATM, think of Barter by Flutterwave. Now the next one is Payday Virtual Card. So it's a virtual dollar card. It has been for some time and this registration, the KYC, everything about it is seamless. So if you need a card that has lots of possibilities when it comes to payments, you want to make lots of payments like $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, think of Payday. Now the withdrawal limit per month is also limitless. Unlike others, they have withdrawal limit. Now the 7th one is Kuda Bank. Kuda Bank has been an e-bank in Nigeria for a very long time. They started with loans, then later deposits and some other things, and now they are also offering virtual cards. So if you want to make payment abroad, you want to pay for school fees, you want to pay for ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, think of Kuda. You will be surprised that it will actually solve your problems. Now, the last one, which is number 8, like I said earlier, is one that everybody uses. People use it a lot, globally. It's quite popular. Is Payday. Now, Payday has a feature on it that you can register and request for card. Now, once you request for card, they give you a virtual card, and this virtual card can be used for any form of payment. Now, one of the disadvantages actually is that it is not a MasterCard, it's a Verve card. So, as such, some platforms might not really understand, the Verve card. But I can assure you that it has been used to pay for Facebook ads, has been used to pay for TikTok ads, has been used to pay for some international platforms, even for local shoppings and international shoppings, either from Jumia or from Konga or even from Temu. So guys, if you are thinking of buying anything abroad, if you have a Payday, because almost everyone in Nigeria have Payday accounts, all you need to do is to follow the instructions in this video, to register for the Payday virtual card, set it up, and start making payments. I've always said this before. If this is the first time watching our videos, please make sure you subscribe, drop your comments in the comment section. I would like to hear from you what you think about these cards, or the ones that are giving you issues and the fees. Mind you, I need to also say this, that Payday is a great platform. I always had issues with them with their loan policy, which is flexi by Payday. It's one of the most dangerous loan apps, when it comes to loans in Nigeria. But when it comes to their virtual cards, they're actually a great platform, and I would recommend them anytime, any day. So thank you for watching our videos once again. Share this video with your friends. Make sure to subscribe before leaving. Thank you once again, and bye for now.